Hey everybody, how's it going, Bear Bull Traders? Hey, I want to do a little recap for you. I'm in the middle of a trade on PLTR right now, and this thing is just screaming. Look at the level. Oh, here we go. All right, partial at 2470. Sorry, I didn't have a time to do my normal intro. I hit my record button as soon as I saw this. You guys have been asking for more level 2. I wanted to show you guys what a really bullish level 2 looks like. We got Andrew here in the background. I'm going to mute him for a second. Look at PLTR here. If you look at my chart, you can see I went long here above VWAP. Look at the level 2 on this thing to the top side. See how I have all these highlighted orders? I'm highlighting anything over 50 lot. And you can just see, look how we just have orders lined to the top side. Look to the left side on the bid, no liquidity whatsoever. Everything's to the top side. What this is showing you is that the bid or the bulls are heavily committed right now. And these are their profit-taking orders put up above. And it's a beautiful ladder for the market maker to run in order to elevate the price. PLTR is in Catalyst today. It had news. So it did this nice, beautiful breakup here. So I went long right at VWAP. I gave myself loss of my entry candle as my stop out, so you can see right there, wasn't a very wide stop. 2 to 1 was really easy because of the tightness of the stop. And then I took some more incremental partials here. Big drop at 2470 in case we didn't make it. Now we're going to get a little pullback here, which isn't surprising because we're going to try and go through high of day. I'm not really sure. Oh, you can see some orders popping in here. So we do have some short sellers maybe trying to come in here and hold this thing down. I forget what PLTR's short interest is, and it's not showing on DOS right now. But for me, what I'm going to be looking for is I want to see if PLTR is going to hold the open price. Open price is a really big level. You can see we went to pre-market high, and we just kind of stopped there. So now we're going to come down here and retest the opening price. If we lose the opening price here, you know, we could have a further test, further pullback. Right now, the level 2 is still extremely bullish. So it's hard for me to see this coming back. Oh, man. All right, time and sales. We just had someone sell around 10,000 shares at this level. So we've got some sellers. Oh, a lot of buying just came in. So now if you're looking down at my lower time and sales here, look at the large orders. 13,000, 2,000, 14, 12, all green, all white orders. This means we're coming in at the spread or at the ask, which means that we're buying. You do see sporadic red orders as large sells are coming in here too. So it looks like we've hit a value area, which is why we're going to chop here now. We've got lots of buying and lots of selling from larger accounts occurring at the same time. And that's going to stall things up for a little bit until we get a little bit more direction from from the market itself. Right now, the market maker is poised for a move up. The ladder is perfectly good. But right now, if you look at the tape, you can see we're encountering lots of selling on the tape. So we'll have to keep an eye on this. If, like I said, if we come through the opening price, this might come down and stop me out. But if we can hold above opening price, especially if we can get a new high and get some buyers to come in, then I think we could slingshot and move up through this bid up through the ask here. So I'm still going to keep an eye on this. One other highlight I thought I'd throw out there while this is marinating for a second. MU was a big call out for today. I did not take it because I was focused on on other stocks. But MU, look at the contrary here. Look how we've had a big move down. Look at where you see the bid. Right to the bottom side is where you're seeing most of bid. Now look, we've got some ask starting to develop here at 70, so it's a good chance we've got some buyers. Look at the buyers coming in on the tape now, so we may have some buying here, and MU may try and bounce and pull back up into $70. But right now, we've definitely still got some liquidity to the downside on the ladder. So I'm gonna pop back over to PLTR, see how we're doing. All right, PLTR. Still looking pretty fun. Look at this order lingering back here. That's a short seller. They draw. Here we go. All right, time to run my ladder. Here we go. Look at us popping up here. We're popping up. I want to try and get another grab around maybe even 25. I'm going to go ahead and put some orders near 25. See if we get all the way to 25. Yeah, look at the large orders at 25. 1,025. That's over 100,000 shares sitting at $25. That looks like a really nice spot. Yeah, I really like that. Yeah, I'm not going to be greedy. Let me go ahead and drop right there. 24.90. All right, I just typed that out in the chat room. So anyway, just a quick recap for you guys on PLTR and MU2, a little live check at what's going on in the level 2, so you can see the difference between a bullish looking and a bearish level 2. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, throw me a like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. I hope everyone had a great day, and as always, keep it green, y'all. Thanks.